Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Foreign exchange questions get easy fast when you track who needs dollars, because that alone tells you which action raises demand for the dollar. The key idea, demand for dollars, rises whenever someone needs dollars to buy something from the United States, whether that something is goods, services, or financial assets. Now test the choices. Buying French souvenirs or Japanese stocks means Americans need foreign currency, not dollars, and putting cash in a checking account stays inside the United States. That leaves the foreign investor case. A German buying United States government bonds must first get dollars, so demand for dollars increases. That is E. Well done. Nice work. Scan now. The trap is rushing signs. The rule is trust the given action and check who must obtain dollars.